Good day everyone and welcome to my vlog. Are you an expat living in GCC country like Saudi Arabia and planning to visit Georgia? Then this video is for you. Sa video ito ay share ko sa inyo ang mga requirements na dapat yung dalhin kapag kayo ay bibisita ng Georgia at i-share ko din yung mga places na pwede ninyong bisitahin. If you are a Filipino or expat living in Saudi Arabia or any GCC country with residence ID or IQAMA holders, you do not need a visa to travel to Georgia. So it's a visa-free entry. Yes, you heard it right. It's free and visa on arrival. However, it will be provided only if you meet all the requirements. So, umpisahan na natin. Unang-una nating requirements ay ang passport. So, passport should be valid for 6 months on the date of travel. Sumunod naman dito, of course, ang ating return flight. So, katunayan na tayo ibabalik ng Saudi. Tapos ay ang exit re-entry visa. So, it can be requested to your employer. And kasunod ay ang resident ID or IQAMA. If you are in the other GCC country and your resident ID is written in English, then there's no need to translate it. So this is my driver, Mr. What's your name?
Malkas.
Malkas. Sumunod naman ay ang ating travel health insurance. So kailangan po ito pag nagta-travel tayo ng Georgia. Next is ang ating proof of accommodation. So dapat meron kayong na-reserve na hotel. Travel itinerary kung sakasakaling tanungin nila yung mga gagawin nyo sa Georgia. And lastly, yung sufficient funds. So, ako nag-prepare lang ako ng 1,000 USD kasi 8 days halos yung stay ko sa Georgia. But normally, 50 USD per day is enough but better to have an extra. So, if you have also credit card, you can also bring this one to show to the immigration in case they will ask for it. So that's it. So if you can provide all of that, then you are good to go. So remember that this is for tourism visa only. So now we are here in Georgia. So ito nga pala yung accommodation na binuko ko sa Envoy Hostel. So napakamura rin ito nung time na nag-book ako during autumn. So month of September. End of September actually, end week. So this is only 47 SAR per night. So, maganda po siya para sa mga solo traveler. Meron po siyang double deck, 3 double deck, so 6 kami sa isang room. And comfortable siya kasi hindi naman ako mag-i-stay na matagal sa room kasi mostly nasa tour ako. So, okay na rin po. And free breakfast na rin to nung nag-book ko kaya talaga sulit na rin yung aking booking dito sa Envoy Hostel. So now, let's start with our tour here in Georgia. So on my second day, ay nag-join ako ng Kakheti Wine Tours and Signahe, the City of Love. So now, this is our first journey dito sa Georgia. If you are visiting Georgia, I think tasting churkela is one of the things that you should experience when visiting this country. So, churkela is a traditional Georgian candle-shaped candy with a variety of flavors. So, yan po yung mga nakikita nyo, mga nakasabit. So, next naming pinuntahan ay ang Bodh Bay Monastery. So, this is only 2 kilometers away from the town of Signahe. So, bali yung place na to ay isa sa pinaka-famous na tourist destination dito sa Georgia. So it is a place of pilgrimage due to its association with the Saint Nino or Santo Nino, the woman responsible for bringing Christianity to Georgia. Kaya kung mapapansin nyo, marami po talagang mga visitors nung dumalo kami dito. So by the way, we are 3 in a group nung nag-tour kami dito sa Kakheti and Signahe. So we have our driver with our driver Mr. Marcas. And nakakatawa kasi dito pa lang sa lugar na ito ay mafe-feel mo na agad yung European vibe. So, ang ganda ng kanilang mga buildings, yung mga structures, and yung churches na nakikita namin. The monastery also features a spectacular view of valleys and mountains. So probably one of my favorite on this tour is visiting this monastery. So as you can see, the ambience and the atmosphere inside is relaxing and the view is really stunning. So mapapawaw ka talaga pag bumisita ka dito sa Bod Bay Monastery. So I think it is one of the recommended place na dapat yung bisitahin kapag nasa Georgia kayo. So next naman po naming binisita ay ang Signage or Signahe or yeah, it is a small town in Georgia located in the easternmost region of Kakheti. So ito na po yung tinatawag nilang the City of Love. So mamaya ay ikutin natin yung buong town na ito. Kumakanta doon. Ang ano pinakaiba ng So just a quick background muna ng lugar na ito. So the word Signahe means shelter in the Turkic language. So this town was built on a hill with the overlooking view of Alazani Valley. So it is surrounded by a mighty wall from the 18th century. So it is commonly called as the Great Wall of Signage or the Great Wall of Georgia. So it is a home of several historical and cultural memorials that have been preserved since 1975. So today, it is the most popular places for wedding events and couples who wants to marry in Georgia. So punta naman tayo sa next tourist destination natin, which is the highlights of this tour. Ito po yung wine tasting in the Modern Wine Factory. So the Modern Winery offers a tour inside of their modern storage barrel and taste different type of wine in the region. So dito po tayo makatikim ng iba't ibang klase ng wine. So sa pagpasok pa lang natin dito sa storage ay may naka-ready na ng mga glass. So ito yung gagamitin natin para sa pagtikim ng mga wine, iba't ibang klase ng wine sa kanilang mga barrel.
Has a fridge, and this fridge controlling the temperature, and everyone here has own temperature because it is a storage company. Okay, we don't make the wine. We just save it, bottle and sell it, that's all. If you want to see a process, actually this is a time if you want to participate as well, but not here, in middle of Kakheti, okay? Maybe you're going now.
Thank you.
Drink.
Not too much. Yeah. Isa pa, sorry hindi ko napindot.
So tapos na kami sa aming tour. So ngayon ay kakain naman kami. So it will be our lunch. So late lunch na siya. So dito po siya sa Hotel and Wine Chateau Kasme. So this is a hotel and restaurant located in the village of Kasme. So this is only 30 minutes drive from Tbilisi. So this restaurant serves a delicious Georgian and European dishes. Okay, so that's it for the day. And if you're curious where I book my tour, so nagbook po ako ng tour sa G7 Euro Travel and Tours, or known in the Filipino community as the Kabayans and Pinoy in Tbilisi, Georgia. and it is highly recommended. So if you plan to book here, you can use my code LANWANDERED with G7 Kabayans in Georgia and Armenia, and you can get 3% to 20% discount depending on length of stay or number of people booking at the same time. To avail the discount, you can mention the code and then simply screenshot this video where you watch my vlog and like their FB page, Kabayans and Pinoys in Tbilisi, Georgia. So that's it. Thank you for watching and hope you subscribe and follow me for more videos.